Hi friends, this is a topic on Oracle 21c architecture. So in Oracle 21c we have a multi-tenant configuration. In Oracle 21c you cannot have a non-CDB or non-container database. So it's only multi-tenant configuration is supported. A CDB consists of 0, 1 or more PDBs. So that is the default configuration for Oracle 21c. So this is the multi-tenant architecture. We have a CDB and a root, and on the root there are multiple PDBs which are plugged in. So we have a PDB $seed or a seed PDB, which is a template to create new user PDBs. You can have multiple user PDBs plugged into the root. The Oracle supply container is called the root container, CDB $root, and consists of just Oracle metadata and maybe a little bit of user data and common users. Each CDB has one root. The seed container is named PDB $seed, and there is one of these per CDB. The purpose of the seed container isn't to store user data. It is there for you as a template to create PDBs. The user container, which is actually called a pluggable database or PDB, consists of user metadata and user data. Background processes. There is a single set of background processes for the CDB. The PDBs don't have any background process attached to them. redo log files. These are common for the entire CDB, with Oracle annotating the redo data with the identity of specific PDB associated with the change. There is one active online redo log for a single instance CDB and one active online redo log for each instance of an Oracle RAC CDB. A CDB has a single set of archived redo log files. Memory, you allocate memory only to the CDB because that's the only instance you need in a multi-tenant database. Control file, these are common for the entire CDB and will contain information that reflects the changes in each PDB. Oracle metadata, all Oracle supplied packages and related objects are shared. Temporary tablespace, there is a common temporary tablespace for an entire CDB. Both the root and all PDBs can use this temporary tablespace. This common tablespace acts as the default temp tablespace. In addition, each PDB can also have a separate temporary tablespace for its local users. Undo tablespace. All PDBs use the same undo tablespace. There is one active undo tablespace for a single instance CDB and one active undo tablespace for each instance of an Oracle RAC CDB. Tablespaces and application tables and indexes. These application tables that you will create are specific to a PDB and aren't shared with other PDBs or central CDB. The data files that are part of this tablespace constitute the primary physical difference between a CDB and a non-CDB. Each data file is associated with a specific container. Local temporary tablespace. Although temporary tablespace for CDB is common to all containers, each PDB can also create and use its own local temporary tablespace for its local users. Local users and local roles. Local users can connect only to the PDB where the users were created. A common user can connect to all the PDBs that are part of the CDB. Local metadata. The local metadata is specific to each application running in the PDBs and therefore isn't shared with other PDBs. PDB resource manager plan. These plans allow resource management within a specific PDB. There are separate resource management at the CDB level. So as you can see, control file, online redo log file, undo tablespace, temp tablespace, SP file, P file, archive log, flashback log, all these are part of CDB, and system, SysOx, data, and TEM, these are part of PDBs. So that's it about Oracle 21C architecture. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.